Installing a new door can transform the look and feel of your home or business in Lafayette, providing security, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. However, door installation is not without its challenges. Many homeowners and business owners encounter common issues that can compromise the door's function and longevity. Understanding these issues and knowing how to prevent them can save you time, money, and frustration. Poor measurement and sizing. One of the most frequent problems during door installation is inaccurate measurements. If the door or frame is too large or too small for the opening, it can lead to improper fitting, which affects the door's operation and security. How to prevent. Always double-check measurements before ordering a door. Measure the width and height of the door opening at multiple points, top, middle, and bottom, and take note of any irregularities in the wall. Hiring a professional installer in Lafayette can ensure precise measurements and reduce the risk of ordering the wrong size door. Improper frame alignment. The door frame must be perfectly aligned both vertically and horizontally. Misalignment can cause the door to stick, not close properly, or create gaps that compromise insulation and security. How to prevent. Use a level during installation to ensure the frame is plumb and square. Shims can be used to adjust the frame as needed before securing it permanently. A professional installer with experience in Lafayette homes will have the tools and know how to align the frame correctly. Inadequate weatherproofing. Lafayette's climate, which includes hot summers and occasional heavy rain, means that weatherproofing your door is essential to prevent drafts, moisture intrusion, and energy loss. How to prevent. Install high-quality weather stripping around the door and ensure that the threshold is sealed properly. Using a door with good insulation properties and sealing gaps around the frame with caulk will also help keep your interior comfortable and reduce energy bills. Using the wrong type of door or material. Choosing a door that is not suited for the environment or usage can lead to problems such as warping, swelling, or premature wear. For example, wooden doors may require more maintenance in humid climates, while metal doors are prone to rust if not properly treated. How to prevent. Select a door material that fits Lafayette's local climate and your specific needs. Fiberglass and steel doors offer durability and low maintenance for exterior doors, while solid wood doors provide classic beauty but require regular care. Consulting with a local door supplier or installer can help you make the best choice. Incorrect hardware installation. Door hardware, including hinges, locks, and handles, must be installed correctly for the door to operate smoothly and securely. Misaligned hinges can cause squeaking or sagging, and poorly installed locks can be a security risk. How to prevent. Follow manufacturer instructions carefully and ensure hardware is mounted securely. Using the correct tools and hardware for your door type is critical. For enhanced security, consider upgrading to high-quality locks and reinforced hinges designed for your specific door. Neglecting door maintenance post-installation. Even a perfectly installed door requires routine maintenance to function optimally over time. Neglecting maintenance can lead to problems such as sticking, squeaking, or hardware failure. How to prevent? Regularly inspect your door for signs of wear or damage. Lubricate hinges and locks annually, clean weather stripping, and check for any gaps or cracks around the frame. Promptly addressing small issues can prevent costly repairs down the line. Why professional installation matters in Lafayette? Lafayette homes often have unique architectural features, and local weather conditions pose specific challenges that can affect door performance. Hiring a professional installer with experience in Lafayette ensures that your door fits perfectly, functions smoothly, and withstands local environmental stresses. Professionals also have access to the right tools and materials to prevent common issues. Final thoughts. Door installation is a critical home improvement project that requires precision, knowledge, and the right materials. By avoiding common pitfalls, such as poor measurements, misaligned frames, inadequate weatherproofing, wrong material choices, incorrect hardware installation, and neglecting maintenance, you can enjoy a door that enhances your home's security, comfort, and curb appeal for years to come. If you're planning a door installation in Lafayette, take the time to research, measure carefully, and consider hiring a local professional to ensure a smooth, trouble-free process. Proper installation today means fewer headaches tomorrow.